Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a super interesting website that will pay you just to have your ideas. So if you're usually the kind of person who always has a solution for a problem, or if you always have great ideas, this website is for you and you can do it from all over the world as well. Let's go! Hi guys, so I wanted to show you a company that's pretty cool because you can actually make some money just giving your ideas. So if you go to this website called mindsumo.com, here this is the main page. You want to go to I'm a problem solver, so right here, and from there you're going to scroll down to view current challenges. As you can see, they work with top brands as from what they say on their website, but yeah, they do work with very famous brands, and I'll show you one on a current task actually. So if you go here, you scroll down and you go to all, and here you have the challenges, the tasks. They want you to give ideas to improve their companies. So this one, for example, you can see it's Snickers and Twix brands. So famous, right? It's all over the world. And they want to improve their business. So what do they ask you? What new innovations can be brought to the Snickers and Twix brand? So here they tell you about the brands, but everybody knows them. We know it's a chocolate company. Everybody loves chocolate, right? So and here, please complete the following. So they ask you, propose an idea for a new innovation that could be applied to the Snickers brand. And here, propose an idea for a new innovation that could be applied to the Twix brand. How does your idea change the existing product? So if you have a great idea that could improve the brand, this is how it will work. The top 5% will share $1,000. The next 7.5%, $400, and the next 12.5% will share $200. So you know what? For just giving your idea, if you have like great ideas, you can see like they already had 3 submissions, 27 days left, and yeah. So if you have a great idea, it just doesn't cost you anything but just to write your idea. You just submit it here. So you put your details, submit your idea, and that's all you have to do. So you can share most of the time $1,600 from what we see here. If you go to all again, here this one, help us create seamless new customer experience. So that's for let's see what kind of company that is. Insurance, as an insurance company. Okay, it's an insurance company. Again, what does the ideal process look like for starting with an insurance provider? On a step-by-step basis, this would include anything from signing up with the new provider. So they explain to you what are they trying to improve, and you just give your idea, and you could be sharing $1,000 if you're in the top 10% for these ones. That's super easy to do. If you have lots of ideas, you know what's wrong in a company, you want to share your ideas. You never know, you might be in the top 10%, top 5%, whatever it is, and you can make some money, like $1,000 or $500 or $300, depends how many are submitting their ideas. But you have a lot of different types of businesses, as you can see. This is for an alcoholic beverage company. Same thing, $1,600 for the top 25%. This one is pretty good, top 50%, $1,600. Here you have those that have been closed already and they're reviewing it. But again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you want to take the chance and make money just sharing your idea, mindsumo.com. Go to I'm a problem solver and just apply And that's all for today. Thanks guys for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If you liked it, please give me some thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please give me some thumbs down. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. See you guys.